In this quick video, I will show you how to stake EVMOS step by step. So the first step is to go to app.evmos.org and connect your wallet. Now we have three available wallets here. We have Kepler, MetaMask, and WalletConnect, and I'm going to choose Kepler wallet. Now make sure that you have EVMOS token in your Kepler wallet. You can see it here. Click EVMOS and you can see here the amount of EVMOS you have in your Kepler wallet. Now, once you have connected your Kepler wallet, go to staking here and choose any of this validator here. For example, we're going to choose the number one validator. Click manage here, click delegate, and before you type the amount of EVMOS you want to delegate, make sure that you have read this information. Note that the staking will lock up your funds for 14 days, and once you undelegate your stake EVMOS, you will need to wait 14 days for your tokens to be liquid. Now, for example, I want to type down 0.10 EVMOS, then click delegate, then choose the lower gas fee, click approve, and now you can see that the transaction was successful. And you can see here your stake EVMOS, the voting power, the name of the validator, the amount of EVMOS you have staked, and the commission. And above here you can see that we have the reward distribution, the countdown for the reward distribution. So after this countdown, you will be able to receive your rewards. And if you want to claim rewards, just click here and you can see the amount of EVMOS stake. And also you can see here the pending staking reward, but as of now I have zero amount of EVMOS because I just recently staked my EVMOS. And we're done. If you have any questions about how to stake EVMOS, leave a comment below.